welcome back to Plumber Adam's channel. Today I'll be swapping out a mixing valve due to one leaking and having no data to repair. You'll hear me talk one more time in this video over the silent part, as this is when the customer comes to chat for a minute. I like to make sure others' privacy is protected when posting items online. This is when I'll be explaining the workings of this mixing valve. This is not a tutorial, just a work with me video. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to keep seeing more content in the future.
Oh, there's that.
This is the part where the customer steps in to have a chat, so we'll also have a chat. The customer stated that when trying to remove the innards of the mixing valve to get parts to repair the old mixing valve, a bolt head had snapped, and that's what caused them wanting to replace this mixing valve. We had ordered the valve without seeing the setup in person. We got information on what the valve was feeding beforehand to choose the right gallons per minute. This mixing valve is feeding 2 eye wash stations and 4 hand wash sinks, which at the end of the video we set to 85 degrees to 90 degrees. This part of the building is not used very often and does not have high demand. We make sure to ream, clean, and mark fittings to death to make manufacturer requirements. He was also very skeptical about ProPress fittings, with the rubber sealing element going out in the future. I did talk with him about ProPress fittings we use, which are Vega fittings, how they're designed to last 50 years or more under normal operation conditions. Either supposed to match or exceed their lifespan of the copper piping itself, but who knows if that is true or not. Only time will tell. We loosened a boiler drain in the beginning of the video, which will be replaced due to the rubber disintegrating. If you're interested in that video, it'll be on my page in a short.
Oh! Yeah. Some good brass. Slip. Oops. Mother.